Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well and having a great week. Wanted to give y'all a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk that we just got in last week. This boat has a beautiful light gray gel coat throughout the boat. Also have on this boat a upgraded Mercury 90 horsepower 4-stroke motor and a factory installed tow arch to be able to carry all your friends tubing and wakeboarding and surfing behind the boat. This boat also has the teak package, so you have a nice teak on the swim platform as well as the side steps going on the boat to still give it that classic look. We also have low profile stainless steel grab rails on the stern and in the bow of the boat. We then have a nice bench seat with a huge live well underneath. On this boat we also have the fishing package, which includes rod holders, bow cushion, and cooler cushion seats with backrests, and also an integrated tackle box in the boat. This boat also has a hookup for a trolling motor if you decide to add one, and comes with a really nice swing away tongue stainless steel trailer. Let me know if you would like to take a sea trial on this boat as well as any of our other whalers in stock. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and you can reach me at 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.